My name is Craig, and I should probably tell you up front, I'm not even the best gardener in my own family. My mom has always had incredible gardens. So this channel isn't really coming from the place of I have it all figured out. What I can tell you is that I've been gardening seriously for over a decade, and I've learned most of what I know the hard way. I forgot to start seeds one time, started them, and then forgot to water them. Went out to check on the garden and thought, oh no, are they already dead? If that sounds familiar, you're in the right place. There are channels out there with immaculate gardens, the kind where you wonder how they do it. This isn't that channel. This is the channel for people who have a lot going on, who want to grow food but aren't really hyper organized, and who need someone to show them that you can still succeed even when life gets in the way. I grow in raised beds mostly, but I'll be honest with you, I don't think raised beds are the only answer. Where you are, what space you have, what your goals are, these all matter. And if you've got kids, I remember my son at 2 years old walking out to the garden. He grabbed a cherry tomato and just popped it in his mouth right off of the vine. And eating it was like the best thing that he'd ever tasted. There's something about that you can't just replicate by getting groceries from a grocery store. If you want to go deeper, I teach you everything about growing tomatoes. It's right there on the screen. Start anywhere and keep going. And as you start binging our videos, come back here and let us know in the comments which ones are your favorites. I welcome you to this channel. I'm very excited to have you here. Do hit the subscribe button if you aren't already subscribed. Let's continue to grow together.